Miami is the third richest city in the world, with many rich people residing in it, from Hollywood celebrities to many billionaires from around the world, making it one of the best shopping destinations, and it has something for everyone. From high-end fashion brands to discounted factory outlets. But to find the best option for the first-timers could be a daunting task. And by the time you come to know the right place for you, you are already done with buying expensive stuff that you could have bought at a much lesser price. So here we are going to summarize it for you, with our own personal experience, the best shopping destinations in Miami. This is a countdown, and we have described in detail the pros and cons of each mall, saving the best mall for the last. So keep watching this video till the end. Number 6. Shops at Midtown Miami. It is a commercial area in the middle of the city. There are a number of different retail outlets, designer shops and mega stores. Pros include proximity to all the residential areas, as it is situated in the middle of the city, variety of shops, brands, and groceries malls, a lot of nice cafes and restaurants, and many sitting areas in the park. Cons include it's scattered on a vast area. One needs to walk on foot for a mile to go from one end to the other. And if it's raining, you have to wait for it to end, as the outlets are not connected centrally indoors. This is what happened to us. Number 5. Brickell City Center. Brickell City Center is a shopping as well as entertainment area. Situated in the center of the city, it's an upscale neighborhood with high-end fashion outlets. Fast food joints and fine dining options. Pros include centrally located, easily accessible, a lot of options, many restaurants. Cons include a little on the expensive side, limited brands. Number 4. Miami Design District. Miami Design District is an area that has the most designer outlets, with a high variety of art collection. Pros include: most of the high-end fashion brands can be found in this area. Not far from city center. Cons include: shopping could be very expensive here. Accessible by personal transport or taxis. Number 3. Bayside Marketplace. Bayside Marketplace is an all-in-one with brand outlets to small retailers, fine dining restaurants to food carts, beautiful parks to Ferris wheel, boat rides, and live performances. There is something for everyone. Pros include: centrally located, easily accessible by public transport, economical shopping and food options, many entertainment options day and night, nearby park and oceanfront walking tracks. Cons include: not many high-end fashion brands, Number 2. Dolphin Mall. Dolphin Mall is a shopping heaven, with almost all major brands available at reasonable prices. Pros include: economical for everyone, all brands available under one roof, dedicated areas for children, many entertainment options including bowling alley, many restaurants and fast food chains. Not very far from center of the city. Cons include not in the center of the city, Number 1. Sawgrass Mills Mall. If you want to get the best price, or if you are visiting Miami from abroad, Sawgrass Mill Mall is a must-visit shopping destination. It is a place where you can easily spend a day or two, and still can't cover all the shopping areas. It has almost all the brand's factory outlets, giving the best price in Miami. It has dedicated food courts and kids' play areas. Pros include most economical, most versatile, all shopping options at one place, many play areas, and a theme park. Cons include very far from the city. It takes almost 1.5 hours to reach there without traffic. Very time-consuming. We have tried our best to guide you and save you a lot of time and money. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.